Welcome
Logo,
to Union Blacksburg Apartments,
Blacksburg
a place
Apartments,
you can truly
accessible,
call home.
equal
Our modern
housing
apartments
opportunity.
offer a range of
A sunny
amenities
window
to fit
lights a
your
room with a
lifestyle,
flat-screen
from the pool
TV
and
on a
patio to the
boxy
grand,
shelf,
spacious
in
room.
front of which
We
is a
offer an
round coffee
all-inclusive
table and
package,
wide leather-look
simplifying your
sofa.
living
A wall
experience
ornament
and
hangs above
maximizing
and between the
convenience.
TV and a ladder-like
Located near the
blanket
Virginia
rack to
Tech
its left.
campus, we're at the
An
center of it
exterior
all.
shot shows
We care
hazy
about
blue
your
sky
comfort
over
and
sunlit dining
convenience, so you
tables
can
and
enjoy
lounge
student
areas to the
living to the
left of a
fullest.
pergola with large
Visit us
outdoor
at
grills set in red brick
unionblacksburg.com
counters.
and schedule a
4
tour
photos
today.
show an indoor office workstation, an outdoor pool with center island-like square platform, a walk-in closet with white wire shelves and hanging rods, and a sunny room full of exercise machines. A long wood-look table with mint and white striped armchairs stands in front of a white-topped counter with gray cabinets beneath. Gray and red-white polka-dot armchairs surround round coffee tables between a red padded seating ledge on the left and a coffee bar counter on the right. A dry erase board dominates a wall between an art piece of distressed pastel file boxes on the left and a second dry erase board on the right. A round table and 2 chairs stand in the space between. A wide island with gray stone-look counters and bar seating faces the window across from the living area with a leather-look sofa. A kitchen with white cupboards and the same gray speckled counters, with steel-look appliances, stands to the right of the island. A double bed is tucked into a wide corner to the right of a window and a desk with office chair. Logo, Union Blacksburg Apartments.